Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another look using the Juvias Place Culture eyeshadow palette. This is actually look number 3. This look gave me citrus vibes. It is beautiful, it is bright, it's orange and yellow, and I am here for it. I am just loving this eyeshadow palette and I cannot wait to do more looks. Let's get started. I'm using the WetnWild MegaLast eyeshadow primer to prime my lids and the Sheglam Insta Ready face and under eye setting powder duo under the eyes to catch any fallout that I may have. And of course I'm using the Juvias Place Culture eyeshadow palette, and the first shade I'm going to be using is the dark burnt like orange in the eyeshadow palette. This is from the Last Row First Eyeshadow. I'm taking this on a small stubby eyeshadow style brush because I want to really pack this shade in the outer corner. Of course it is pigmented and can be built up extremely quickly. I just prefer to do the salt and pepper method, so I just add a little at a time, not to overdo it, not to overpower it, not to mess up the entire look. Once I have that built up in the outer corner, I am going to move on to the next shade. So in the first row, first eyeshadow, there's this beautiful, I want to call this like a mustardy kind of yellow. I'm going to take this on a fluffy crease brush and I'm applying this in the inner portion in the first half of the crease, and I'm going to be pressing it, not sweeping it, not dragging it, not rocking in the socket, literally pressing this shade and pressing it along the edges of the orange that was in the outer corner and in the second or the outer half of the crease. So I'm just going to build that up as well. And now I'm going to go in and blend. So I'm going to be taking the edge of the brush I used for the orange shade and kind of dragging that along the edge where it meets the yellow, and really just kind of mesh those two colors together by just pressing and slightly dragging. Very easy little slight motions. Blend those shades together. I'm going to be taking the Sheglam Sunday Picnic eyeshadow setting spray and a flat eyeshadow brush for my lid shade. In the palette, I'm going to be picking up fourth row first eyeshadow, and I'm going to pick the eyeshadow up on my brush. I'm going to spritz it, get the eyeshadow wet, and then I'm going to kind of painting this eyeshadow on my lid. I'm going to use like a little painting dragging kind of motion. I am also going to create this kind of harsh line where the orange and the yellow meet in the crease, kind of giving me that fake faux cut crease kind of look that I love, and I'm going to do that with this look as well. And this lid shade is absolutely stunning. It is very shifty. It's stunning. I'm going to add some color back and I'm going to do a little bit of blending. This palette does not have a brow highlighting shade. I'm using the WetnWild Wild Hearts eyeshadow palette for that. I'm going to be picking up this beautiful vanilla nude shade in the palette on a fluffier eyeshadow brush. I'm going to press that under the brow, right on the brow bone, and I'm going to slowly start blending the crease down with this shade. It's going to also help reshape the crease, and it's going to give us that beautiful blended seamless fade from the crease to the brow area that I also adore. I love the finishing touches to the eyeshadow. And I'm going to go back over the shades to deepen them up and do a little extra blending. I'm using a large body brush from e.l.f. to wipe away my fallout. I'm going to use this WetnWild Chameleon Chrome highlighter, but you can use this anywhere you want. So on this tapered precision crease brush, I'm going to take and apply that shade in my inner corner. And this is such a stunning, beautiful inner corner highlight or highlight for all of your face. It's very shifty, it's so pretty. On the lower lash line, I'm taking the orange and the yellow. For lashes, I'm using the AOA Studio Lash Adhesive and the Ardell Wispies lashes. These lashes are absolutely stunning. So pretty. Easy to apply as well. Apply those. Once that's on, I'm using the LA Colors Gel Eyeliner in Midnight Black to tightline the upper waterline. For my lower waterline, I'm using the Santee Gel Eyeliner in Orange. For a pop of orange, you could use yellow there, could use white, you can use black, whatever color you want. I'm using the Revlon Big Bad Lash to mesh my real lashes with my false lashes. And I think the look came out absolutely stunningly gorgeous. This palette is amazing. Now for the lips, I did do a nude pink lip. I used the Maybelline Color Sensation lip liner with this liquid nude lipstick that I got from Temu. Center as a highlight, I used the LA Colors Nude Glam lipstick in Oh Teddy for the center as like a highlight. I think the lip turned out beautiful. The eyes match my adorable peep earrings that I got from Shein. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, found it helpful, and maybe you will try the look out for yourselves. I thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos using the Juvias Place Culture eyeshadow palette. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a product list.